Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia. In this video, I'm going to share my Studio Calico kit for January. Yeah, oh my god, in a way I'm like surprised it's even January, but I'm expecting it to be February. So, oh, I already like this. It's so cute. And I think this was a pretty cool kit from what I remember from the spoilers. I was pumped. I don't remember that well, but this is a pretty cool Sam set. It's I do like that it's a little bit of special events with Ordinary Day and just Hooray for Today. Really cute. And this is interesting. I don't think I get to use it too much, but it's pretty cute. These alphas are really cute. I love this font. Oh, I don't remember these. But these are very cute. They look like there were a lot of chipboard, not chipboard, like wood veneers back in the day. They had these shapes, and I think the Studio Calico was one of the companies that made it popular. So it's like a little throwback. And these stickers are pretty cute, simple, a lot of about January. I do enjoy this whole January stickers, and if that becomes a staple, that would be kind of cute. You guys know I love my labels, and this is kind of like a brown reddish brick. I don't know about that color, but I always appreciate labels in every color. And then we have, oh, now I remember why I was excited. The numbers. Ever since I had the plague, my brain has been so foggy. If you had it, have you experienced the foggy brain? Because I do have issues concentrating, especially when I'm anxious, but man, it's crazy. Really cute. Oh, and I got the stamp set, which I show in the whole video I share. Oh my god, yes I did. Why did I forget? I love the colors though. That's really pretty. And an ampersand. That would be really cute if I want to write like week or weeks. I can put it here, like a number and number. Really cute. Yes, for numbers, please. If this year Studio Calico can make more numbers, I'm gonna be really happy. More celebration things. I think this is very Happy New Year. No, I think it was like Happy Mail. Yeah, I think the theme was Happy Mail, but I don't see it. It's still really cute. And I love these little tags. They're so doodly. I'm trying to remember what it's... There was a company that used to like make doodly stuff like that. And I can't remember now. Let me open the journaling cards. These were cute. Let's see. Ooh, I love that one a lot more. Because I like flowers, but so excited for this and also this. It's kind of cute. Love this. So I think that here you're going to see the things are coming. More of the Happy Mail theme. This is really cute. I don't do resolutions. There are things that I want to do in this year, but 365 days of new adventures. This is going to be great. Good things are coming. And I love this pattern with the repeat lettering. Oh, they're so thick that I'm always like, give me the other one. But I like that one. It's pretty cute. Open with love. This is a very throwback Studio Calico kit. Now that I look at it, like the birds, they used to have like a bunch of real images in their kits, and it kind of looks like, in which I don't mind because I've always loved Studio Calico items. And again, this black with the foiling, I feel I'm gonna, once I'm done like flipping through this card, so I'm gonna grab some of the old ones that are in my stash. Oh, this is so cute. This is my favorite card. January 2023. The Discable recap, I like that. Rainbow. This, and this is also, these two are very old Studio Calico like inspired. And let me search real quick for those cards. Oh, I forgot the 4x6. Wait, hold it. Today's news. I love this. You can put like week here and here. I love this. Again, more realistic birds in this like paper. New years, new memories, new chances, new dreams, new blank. Looking ahead. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Really cute. But leave me a comment if you agree. This one's really beautiful too. If you agree that it is very old school Studio Calico. Okay, so I quickly found this stash, and I'm going to show you. You see the black and white, that font? Those kind of look this. You see black and white, realistic photos, more like not perfect handwriting, and you see it's kind of like doodly. Like if you were to put these two together, you would totally believe that it is the same kit. And these doubles, but these are things that they stick to these past years. I want to find something foiled. This is not from Studio Calico. Yeah, it is. This is really pretty. I should use these. Oh, there's foiling. More of these patterns. I don't know. To me, it looks very old school Studio Calico. So those were my old Studio Calico that were like rounded corners, a real throwback. I think it's pretty obvious that these are gonna be my favorite items in the kit. Most of the cards were really cute. This I have like mixed feelings about this. Maybe once I remove this black dot in the middle, I kind of don't like the black. I feel like it's too harsh with the wood, but it's still really cute. And it's like adhesive too, maybe a little bit easier to use than the wood veneer. So let me know what was your favorite item, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day.